Shrihi Aishwaryam, in all complete measure one has got, that is called Bhagavan. Total, that Bhagavan. Bhagavan is talking to Arjuna. Sakshat Bhagavan is talking to Arjuna. This is understood by Vyasa also, Bhishma also. Bhishma recognizes, and Bhagavatam also says, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Bhagavan Swayam came as a Krishna. That's important. Total is of Ishvara. And therefore he takes Yoga Ruda, Ishvara talking to Arjuna, and therefore he became what? Jagat Guru. Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru. The word Guru means one who gives mantra is simple meaning. One who removes your ignorance about yourself. One who helps you to discover what you want to be, you are. You want to be happy, you are happiness. Helps you to discover this knowledge. Gukaraha andakaraha, rukaro tan nivartaka, andakara nirotitvat, guruhu iti apidiyate. That is called Guru. So that Guru is there. Now, looking at the beautiful, this icon we can say, which can be meditated. And most of the houses in India has got. Here is already fighting the war, that one is there. But here in Gita, if you see, all the horses are standing, and in left hand he has got the reins, and right hand he has got what? Whip. Or sometime whip and rein are in left hand, and right hand is called Chinmudra. Prapanna Padichataya Totrave Traikapanaye Gnana Mudraya Krishnaya Gita Mruta Duhe Namaha. Correct? First you know about this Chinmudra, Bhadra Mudra, Gnana Mudra. What is this mudra? Here, after teaching the whole Vedanta, this mudra, this gesture, all, if you learn Bharatanatyam, they all teach you all what? Different mudra. This is mudra for whom? And this is mudra for what? Ramachandra. They have got all mudras. They teach you. So this is called Dhyana Mudra, Gnana Mudra. See the three fingers, Madhyama, Anamika, Tarjani. Tarjani is the small. So this is called Sattva. This is called Rajas is little more. Tamas is what? What's your name? Even doesn't get my question also. So Tamas. Inertia. And this is called what? Ahankara. This all is called samsara. Ahankara is either chakra, swapna, sushupti or sattva, rajas, tamas. This angutha, this thumb is called Brahman. Remaining away gives a strength to all the fingers. Without this you can't do. Therefore somebody cut all the thumbs. So no second Taj Mahal they can create. What a mind, I tell you. Some sick people, I tell you. This is the way. You know the story. This is called what? Samsara. Okay. Now when this finger starts surrendering ego to Bhagavan, that is called growth in your life. And once here it make a circle. In the circle, what is the beginning, what is the end? Infinite it becomes. Away from sattva, rajas, tamas, yes, swapna, jagra, susupta, mavaiti, nityam. Different from waking, dream, deep sleep. Turiyam, this is turiyam. If I show this finger, if you are informed, you will understand what? This is called what? Moksha. He gave this Chin Mudra. Even Dakshinamurti also having Chin Mudra. Mauna Vyakya Pragatiti Para Brahma Tattvam Yuvanam Vashishtante Pasadrushi Gunai Avrutam Brahmanishtai Achatendram Karakalatin Mudramananda Rupam Swatmaram Umam Muditavadanam Dakshinamurti Nidhi. This Chin Mudra. If you don't know this Chin Mudra, you will think what? Suppose somebody doing like that. It might be for this only, correct? He is thinking that. That's all you will understand. Churna Mada, Churna Midam, that's all you will understand. Baki Sumja, that's all you will understand. Not that you have got big some people like line beta hai, thodi chekni sung se. Aa rahe. Krishna is prapanna parijataya. Whoever surrendered to him, one who can fulfill all the desire like a wish fulfilling tree, kalpa vruksha, kalpa samartha vruksha. If somebody asks me to go under a kalpa vruksha, I will never go. Are you ready to go? Tornado people, please answer me something. I don't ask different question. I am asking, there is a wish fulfilling tree. You go underneath and wish whatever, it will be fulfilled. Are you ready to go under it? Why? Let us see what others says. Here the measure is not a counting of your votes. One thing you should be very careful. Your head is ठिकाना नहीं है यहाँ. ये दिल तो पागल है. You may ask funny things which you are not supposed to ask. You will get into problem because man ka ठिकाना नहीं है. You know? Like 3 fellows were washed away from the ship. They were on a small island. All were doing letter upasana tapjapa. Devta came, angel came. What do you want? He said, I am from America, please take me back to America. Put America. I am from Europe, put me to Europe. And third one was from India. He said, I feel very lonely without these 2 fellows who went from here. Bring them back. Back to square one. Okay. So you will ask certain thing. You will ask, I want Gujarati, Surati, Undia. Undia bhi patak. Hot Undia. I want Gujarati ghari or pat ghari. I want all Sutarpini bada bada. Oh, that appam from the Kerala also, that also comes. Then you think some bhoot pret to nahi, wo bhi aa jayega. ये मेरे को खा तो नहीं जाएगा, खा भी जाएगा आपको. Because your mind, ये दिल तो क्या है? ये दिल तो पागल है. There movie. There another movie. हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं. Another movie. In Bombay, if you go driving near the Chowpatty, there is an advertisement. And the advertisement, they ask a quiz. Why mother-in-law is like a standard battery? Amazing question. Why mother-in-law is like a standard battery? You wonder why. Underneath it said, answer is, because the standard battery goes on and on and on. Doesn't have full stop, only commas. You know what is the translation of mother-in-law in English? Mother-in-law, what is Hindi translation? Kanuni maa. Okay? Brother-in-law, Kanuni bhaiya. Now come back. So, prapanna parijataya totra vetraika panaye. Krishna was holding this stone. Unto that Krishna, he cannot forget the glimpse of Krishna. Most beautiful most meaningful, like Dakshinamurti Vigraha is so meaningful, highly loaded word. The Totra Vetra shows whip and the reins. This is come from the Upanishad. Indriyani hayanayu. Atma tu rathinam viddihi. And this body is called Ratha, a chariot. Rathamevacha. Vishayan what? The road for the Ratha to move, Pathaya. All this is given. So all this, my organ of action and perception are totally mastered by whom that is called. All the reins are together. If you see, Gitacharya Ratha is not moving, it stands still. And second thing, if this horses called my senses become uchrunkal, they cross the line. I should not say it said, I should not eat, it eats also. Then I am ready to punish. That is called what? Whip. One who can punish himself for wrongdoing and also keeps always under his say all the senses, the body. And you can see Krishna turns back. Buddhi tu sarathim viddhi. The buddhi mind, buddhi informed buddhi, moves toward what? Rathaswami. Rathaswami is what? Atma, Arjuna. Informed mind teaches you only, Jiva. Whole Gita is taught. Prapanna, Padijata, all that you wanted from the Lord you can get. Security, pleasures. Any place hereafter, you want freedom from samsara, that also is possible, moksha. Totra Vetraika Panaye, and this Gnana Mudra is the whole teaching. Unto that Krishna, Gita Amrita, who brought to us from all the Upanishads, Sarvopanishadu Kavo, Dokta Gopalanandana, Partho Vassa Sudhir Bhokta, Dukta Gitamrutam Mahata. That Gita Amritam he brought. So he is highly enchanted, so happy to remember the glimpse of Bhagavan which he had never seen earlier. Arjuna got the knowledge. It seemed Bhishma Pitama was overhearing. He also got it. And he is so happy to remember. And here he says, I am Mumurshu. Mumurshu means what? Martum Ichhoho. Another meaning is that here, Martum Udyatasya. I got Ichha Mrityu. I decided to give up my body today because Uttarayana has started. I am going to drop my body. To that, here I do my prarthana. And to Arjuna, you are partial also. Then why do you praying somebody to the partial person? Why do you nanu anyaya vartini kimiti rati prarthayate? No, very beautiful thing he says, the end of it he says, all the people from Kaurava army, they were looking at you, this beautiful form of you, and ante ya mati sagati. What is your last predominant thought become the next birth? They all saw you in this beautiful form as the Gita Acharya, as the Arjuna Ratha Sanchari, as the Bhishma Mukti Pradayaka. They saw this form, and after dying, even they fought for Duryodhana, but they reached you only. They got Saruk